Welcome to Wyoming's Winter Wonderland for 2020. Guess whose kids these are? I'll give you a clue. They're not mine. First up, we have Audrey. At a rodeo, she is quite the horsewoman. Next is Rosalind from 8th grade. She and her dad made an igloo, but this was all that was left when it was time to take the pictures. Susan is all cuddled up with her stuffed animals and blankie, and I can totally connect with that. Mrs. Schultz is always out and about doing stuff with her family. Here she is with her husband and her granddaughter. Alex likes to go out and back and enjoy looking at the deer tracks around her house. And Cassidy likes to go snowshoeing and skiing. Great ways to sharpen the saw there and get some fresh air. Ben likes to play basketball. That's an awesome way to get some exercise. And Wolf likes to practice guitar and go out into the backcountry to go snowboarding. Josiah likes to go out ice fishing, and when he comes in, he gets right to work. I don't like to be cold, so I sit in front of the fire and I knit. Caden has an awesome snow project in front of him. And Zach likes to snow because you can be creative and make things that are cool, and he just really enjoys winter. Somehow I don't think this is in Wyoming. I think the McNamees are somewhere else. Ariana likes to go out and enjoy the snow. And Mr. Littlejohn is on his snowmobile. Mackenzie likes to go ice skating and walking with her dog. Kenny likes to play video games during those long, cold winter days. Jaden likes to go out and play with the dog. And another Jaden likes to teach magic classes. So if you need a trick, go find Jaden from 8th grade. Vivian likes to go out and play with her dog and take pictures of fresh snowflakes. Tristan likes to go out and go ice fishing. That looks like good eating to me. And Dr. Hayward is always out doing something in the snow. And that is winter in Wyoming, and it is so wonderful. Again, guess whose kids these are? And they're not mine.